below that, we have the thinking steps. So if you see here, thinking, okay, the user is asking for Thai curry recipe. Let me think about how to approach this. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So welcome to another video where we can run a large language model locally using Ollama. And this time, we're adding a vector database to read PDFs. So remember, Ollama's this week's update includes thinking abilities. So this demo is not only PDF-based RAG, but it can also think. So we will see how we have created this UI. So this is a very nice UI where we are separating the tool calls and thinking calls in the response. But first, let's upload a document. Our familiar Thai recipe is uploaded, and let's click process. Remember, it uses PG vector PostgreSQL's vector database. Is ready. Our question, Thai curry recipe. So this is using Qwen 8 billion parameter model and completely local. You don't even need internet for this. So if you have hundreds of PDFs locally and you want to ask questions about the contents, this is the mechanism that can help you with. Okay, here we have the output. See here, we have separated the output. Nicely formatted. It even has emojis. Remember, these emojis are not a part of the PDF. Okay, so, and at the bottom, you see a tool calls made, search knowledge base, and the query Thai curry recipe. So that is being separated. And then below that, we have the thinking steps. So if you see here, thinking, okay, the user is asking for Thai curry recipe. Let me think about how to approach this, blah, blah, blah. So you see what is behind the scene activity for this. And again, let me repeat, this is completely local. Another question, can you add 2 plus 3 and find the square root? So this doesn't need the tool call. So that is what I'm demonstrating. Okay, so here is the output and tool calls. See, no tool calls. But remember, when you want to do such calculations, it is better to give a calculated tool so that we get accurate response. Now here is the result, 2 plus 5 and square root of 5 is 2.236. But this need not be accurate because it's a large language model based answer. So when you are expecting accurate calculations, you can provide a calculator tool. And here is the thinking process. User is asking to add 2 plus 3. User is asking to add 2 plus 3, etc. Okay. See, the answer should be approximately 2.236. Okay, so isn't this wonderful? Let's look at the code. So this is the Docker compose file that started the application. Like we saw before, we have the vector database defined here. And it has the health check also defined with 5 seconds delay. And the application is here. And it has the dependency to the health check. Okay, so that application won't be broken at start. This is the Streamlit application starting command. Let's look at the Python code. This is similar to all our previous Python examples. Only difference is we are using Ollama as the model. So vector database is similar to our previous video. Okay. So here we have the vector database where we load the knowledge base from the PDFs which are uploaded to this DB URL folder. Then if you come down, here what we need to know is, since our application is running within the container, we cannot use Ollama's localhost host name. So we need to use the host name like this. Okay, local host should not be used. Instead, host.docker.internal should be used, so that this can communicate to the Ollama running on the host machine. So in the command line, if I terminate this and clear here, Ollama PS, see 53 seconds back, Ollama started the Qwen 3 8 billion parameter model, and I have Mac M4 that runs this. Okay, so if you see here, this is where we are defining the agent and specifying the model that we are using. Qwen 3 8 billion parameter, and this is the host name. So this goes to our Ollama. Clear. Rest of the code is identical to all our previous code. Simple, plain Streamlit application. So this shows how easily we can build a completely local large language model based agentic system that has RAG. Please give your valuable comments and suggestions, and remember to like, share and subscribe. So see you in another practical demonstration like this. Bye-bye.